Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, Harley Quinn and the Joker broke up.
What?
This was their spot. She just publicly updated her relationship status. Harley Quinn just wrote open season on herself.
Parlay?
Fuck, Montoya.
Janice Corporation is his father's company, and by the way, they can move.
Where does the DA's office stand on all this?
He's 1,000 years old, and now he's just an ornament in my living room. Ooh, I love it. These are ancient acupuncture models, as you can see.
I'm starting up my own business. See what it says? Second from the bottom. I know the East End better than anybody.
Hey, you're the singer no one listens to. Hey, you're the asshole no one likes.
What are we even doing here? There are two ways that diamond's coming out of you. That? Yes. It's kind of nice having the kid around. She has the murder stuff down, but the rest?
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Still a work in progress.
Do you know who I am?
The crossbow killer.
They call me
The crossbow killer.
They call me
What, a crossbow killer?
They call me Huntress.
Dance.
Dance, Erica! Hey!
This dress is fucking hideous.
Which would have had me worried, only I had more pressing concerns. And that is why you should never partake in paying federal income taxes. Hey, you ruined your nails. Bye-bye, birdie. No fair.
Is that really necessary?
You don't know her like I do.
Who the fuck are you?
After me, even the fucking crossbow killer.
I'm not the crossbow killer!
Oh,
They call me
Elena Bertinelli.
For fuck's sake!
family massacre. Yeesh, kebab. That is childhood trauma right there.
I killed Galante.
You're welcome. Kid, if that burrito doesn't make you shit, I don't know what will.
Give me a minute.
Hey! Yes! Are you dummies still sitting there? Fine. Since you stuck it out this long, I'll tell you a super duper secret, but you can't tell anyone. Okay. Did you know that Batman...
She did not.